Hello everyone. Welcome to Indian share market and stock analysis for 20th December 2023. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to the channel Share Market C2C to get our regular updates. Let's get into the agenda for today's discussion. So coming to Indian market open and closure data. Indian market open higher as indicated by Gift Nifty with 90 points higher. From there, still it moved further, which touched an all-time high of 21,593. So from there, the sell-off happened, and most expected sell-off people are awaiting from 19,000 to 20,000, from 21,000, and finally the breakout of selling happened today. This is the worst bear attack since 9 months of the Nifty 50's biggest fall. So anyway, this is expected, and this type of fall will not be more worried, as always profit booking is normal in the share market who are been for so long. So this could continue for few more days, and it could test the strong support and psychological support of 21,000. From there, the market may again continue to move upward. However, this is the first support 21,000, and it may go to the level of 20,500 as per the technical which I am following. So it's a normal profit booking. So people can still use the opportunity to buy a quality stocks in this downfall or the correction which is happening. So today is a Bank Nifty expiry. We haven't seen much downfall in Bank Nifty, but SBI contributed a major to the Bank Nifty downfall. Reliance and HDFC and Infosys, all the three are contributing to the upper side today, and the downfall happened. We know always the FIIs, whenever they want to bring down the market, they will use the 7 critic stocks, which is mainly Infosys and TCS, as well as the Reliance, which is the major having a weightage stocks. So we can see all the three stocks getting downfall, which ultimately reflecting in the Nifty 50. So this correction we could expect still further down. Tomorrow is a Nifty expiry of weekly, and we have 5 more days to go after that for this month. So where the next week there will be one public holiday for Christmas. So major downfall we can see in mid cap and small cap as well. And in the Nifty index, the media index hit more than 6% down today. So the sensex nearly down by 1,611 points, which is the heaviest downfall in the recent times. So please be cautious in these levels. We advise not to have big investments in this period. So go little by little in SIP mode of investments to get the quality stocks. So that will be good for the further up move when the Nifty turns back. We will be having our Q3 results starting after next week onwards. I mean January onwards we'll be focusing on the Q3 results, where the market will be reacting accordingly. The Accenture results in US giving a muted notification that the IT sectors may perform well in Q3 results. So European and US indices, currently Dow futures is trading in negative territory, and Nasdaq and S&P 500 futures are trading in positive, and other European markets are mixed positive. I mean the German market and UK market are trading in positive. So Asian market almost they completed in a positive bias. We can see today purely a profit booking. Still FIA and DA data not released. Hopefully we can see mostly both of them are net sellers, or we have to wait for the DA data, which I will be giving later information. So coming to global market and key news connected with India. So Colombian central bank cuts 25 basis points, which is from 13.25 percentage to 13 percentage. Most of them expecting it's a 50 basis cut point, but it's 25 basis cut point. So this is a positive indicating that rate interest cutting been happening has been started now with starting with Colombia. So Nestle, which is a US news, CEO says that weight loss drugs such as weight loss products like Eli Lilly will not have an impact on the coffee business, where you know that Nestle having major contribution of their business in the coffee. So coming to Indian market key news and individual stock news, government to release rules for data protection laws soon. This is to have a securing of the data protection, which will be notified in January 2024. DLF, we have a news that they are going to launch a commercials in Gurugram, low price township in Panchkula. So they are aiming for the revenue of 1,400 crores with these two projects. So Consumer Affairs Ministry mandates selling of welding electrodes by kilograms. Currently, it's been selling by the numbers. So this is updated information which the equities that may be having like a Graphite India, those equities to be watched. How it going to impact is positive or negative. Some more news. India firms dollar bonds issuance hits 14 years low aimed global yield pressures. So we can see which is the lowest since 2009, which was the annual fundraising in 2009 was 1.6 billion. To the 2023 it was 4.1 billion, which should be supposed to be higher. So this is the lowest bond issuance in 14 years. So Bank of Baroda raises 2,500 crore from 10-year Basel III bonds at 7.75 percentage coupon, and also IREDA, which also raised 1,000 crore through 10 years bonds at 7.65 percentage coupon. So this all news we already informing to you since last 2 days. So that's the update of the bond raising of Bank of Baroda and IREDA. Some more informations. Varun Beverages today up by 15 percentage, and it there was a down and it ended by around 10 to 11 percentage. This because they had acquisition for South African informations, South African locations. They are planning to expand their business. Currently the Coke is the major contributor, so their landmark over here will make their expansion of their business over these places. So BPCL to invest 5,044 crore to set up a polypropylene unit at Cochin refinery. So because of this news, the share was gained. However, due to the market fall, the share all dips after the rise. ITC Infotech expands global footprint with wholly owned subsidiary in Saudi Arabia. So this is positive for ITC. So they are planning to expand their IT services in Saudi Arabia. So few stock recommendations are there. Motilal Oswal is bullish on Manappuram Finance. They have set a target of 205. And Sharekhan is bullish on PVR Inox. They set a target of 2,200. And Sharekhan is bullish on CESC stock. They have a target of 150. And Ventura Securities is bullish on KFin Technologies. They set a target of 704. So all these stocks you have to be very careful before investing. This is the recommendations by the brokerages. Today we don't have a technical calls as there is a drop in the market. We have to look for how the bounce back will be there. Then accordingly we will give our technical calls. So for coming to commodities, Brent crude was trading at $80.25 and crude at 74.78, and Indian crude it was high by 82 rupees and gold down by 62 rupees, silver down by 113. Currencies, USD to INR it ended flat with 83.18, and cryptos are trading in flat. We have to see how the US market will be opening today. Coming to IPO news today, Indian Shelter Finance, as we said yesterday, it opened with 25% premium. You have to wait for the price consolidation. Since the value is 620, it's a bit higher now. Domes Industry opened up with 77% premium, where we are notified the same yesterday. So we have to look for again the same. So currently this price is a bit higher. We have to wait for the consolidation to get happen. So that's it for today. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like this video, please share to your network. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell notification to get regular updates. Thank you. Stay safe, invested.